Can we ask you a question?
Certainly.
Okay.
Sometimes.
Sometimes, always. Do you personally believe that it's probably the smartest department?
Science department, of course.
Okay. Can you answer me a couple math questions?
Maybe.
You took AP Math, right? What'd you get on your exam?
5.
Yeah, I knew that. Okay.
We're on the prowl. Here we go. Anna, we're doing a project for our math class. Would you mind telling me your names?
I'm Veronica. I'm Jessica.
Okay, so here we have her. Most of the times. Okay. What's 2 plus 3?
5.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Okay, and then I'm just making sure. What's 10 times 10?
100.
Okay. Can you tell me what the derivative of inverse tan is?
I cannot.
Do you know what that means?
No.
Okay. Maybe we'll come back to you a little bit later. Thank you very much for your time. It was very nice of you. See you later. Good. Here we are with Mr. D. Horatius.
Oh, that's a microphone, okay.
Yes.
That's a real microphone.
Yes. So, what's the derivative of inverse cosecant?
The derivative? Like where it comes from?
Derivative of inverse cosecant.
The secant part is cutting. Right? Co is together.
I see you're using your Latin roots here, are you? Okay.
Versus
See,
turn.
this is more of a math question, not really language.
Oh, derivative. You mean like the mathematical derivative?
That's what I had in mind,
I got
yes.
nothing.
I guess the only fair
I
way.
understood derivatives back in high school, and then I lost calculus at integrations. Even though I can still tell you they're the opposite of derivatives.
That's pretty good. Okay.
I still don't
like,
understand them.
Do you want to take a second to think about it, or
No.
you're just gonna say
I'm
you
good.
don't know?
I'm good.
Okay. Thank you.
All right.
I just want to know where you both went to college.
I went to Bates College, Plymouth State College.
Okay. What is 2 times 2? 2 times 3?
6,
Okay, we'll get a little harder. 10 times 2.
20,
10 times 3.
30.
Okay, next step. What is the inverse derivative of tan?
I can't tell you that.
Okay, what is the inverse derivative of sine?
Can't tell you.
Can either of you tell me what a derivative is?
I'd have to read back to my calculus days. I know it has something to do. No, I can't give you a good idea.
Alright, thank you for your time.
Oh, just, hey, do you know what 3 times 5 is? 20. 9 times...
Does anyone know the derivative of inverse tan? No one.
We're going to teach you trig derivatives. So basically, it's all memorization, but there are some tricks along the way. So, as you see, I've grouped the trig and functions into 2 groups, and each one, if you know the derivative of one, the other one is the opposite reciprocal. So, for example, sine goes to cosine x. So, cosine goes to negative sine x. It's the opposite reciprocal. And that is the same the whole way, sort of.
going to do inverse trig derivatives. Just like trig derivatives, it's mostly memorization, but there are some tricks. For sine, it's 1 over root 1 minus x squared. And for cosine, it's just the opposite of that. For tan, it's 1 over 1 plus x squared. And for cotan, it's the opposite. Don't laugh at me. And for cosecant and secant, it's the same exact thing.
Keep going, you got it.
Ta-da!
Go.
Just one more tip. Anytime, to make the problems harder, sometimes people change x. So let's say they give you sine of 2x cubed. Then you still do the derivative, but you have to multiply the whole thing by u prime using the chain rule. So make sure you always multiply by x prime.